Simon, what are you doing?
Getting ready for the Ohio Viking Festival.
Yeah, that's not until June.
It is June.
No.
Yes.
Well, shit. Let's go, Viking! Welcome back, Birchouse friends, and it is indeed June. And that means that the Ohio Viking Festival is right around the corner. We've been going the last 5 years. This is our biggest event that we attend every year, and it's always a blast. We have a ton of fun at the Ohio Viking Festival. So, it will be June 26th from 4 to 9, June 27th from 10 to 8, and June 28th from 10 to 6. And that will be at the Lake County Fairgrounds in Painesville, Ohio.
There will be very talented vendors, delicious food, fun activities for the family, and great entertainment. Of course, us, Birchouse Workshop. We'll be vending, so goods will be out for sale, and we'll have our interactive educational display. And there will also be educators in kit that you can talk to and mayhaps learn something.
And not only will we have our interactive educational display and our educators in kit to chat with, but for the first time, we're going to offer classes. We will have 3 free classes available through the course of the weekend at Ohio Viking Festival. First up is Shield Throughout History, a journey from the Stone Age to the 18th century. This is a class looking at different shields from different eras and cultures. Next up is a class on the year 1066, the end of the Viking Age and the dawn of the Age of Chivalry.
Finally, we will have a Viking shield building demo, where we'll be actually building a shield and talking about the construction of the Viking round shield.
We're really excited about offering these classes, our interactive educational display, and of course offering our goods for you to buy and take home. So, we certainly hope to see you at the Ohio Viking Festival. I'm going to put a link in the description to all the information that you can get and where you can buy tickets. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.